Hey YouTube, Oshan Marshall here, developer and consultant with Secure Ideas with another Burp Suite tutorial for you. Now, Burp Suite is amazing for web app penetration testing. However, it has some features that you may not know about. This tip that we're going to go over today will make your workflow infinitely easier if you find yourself using intruder and repeater, repeatedly during an engagement. Now, you may not have remembered this tip because it was just one of those things that we dropped in Tactical Burp Suite 2.0 way back in March. Roll the clip.
When we do a pen test, we end up with lots of repeater tabs. You'll notice that the repeater tab says 1. If Jason clicks up there on that little ... thing, it'll start another one. And I'll tell you that for me, I've ended up with hundreds of repeater tabs, it feels like. Remembering whether you were in 47 or 236 or 53 where you did that one thing is a pain in the butt. And then we found out a couple years ago that Jason has been hiding a feature. And so I'll let him explain it.
Well, just like a lot of applications, if you double click on the tab, you can rename it.
Jason says it like it was so obvious. I want to be clear.
It was obvious to me. I've been doing it for years, and then I did it in front of a class at one point, and I got a, what?
That's exactly, no, I would say I said something different than what. It had a little bit of an obscenity on it.
Okay, yeah, I'm being polite.
Because it was like, how did you do that? And he's like, I double clicked. I just did this. I'm like, when did they add that feature? He's like, Kevin, that's part of Java.
Now, that is a pretty easy tip, but you gotta understand, shaving off every minute you can off an engagement gives you more time to explore and exploit your targets, and it makes you a better penetration tester. Now, if you are absolutely brand new to the channel, please check out either the Tactical Burp Suite 2.0 video, which does a deep dive into tutorial to burp, or just our Professionally Evil Fundamentals series. Links to those things should appear somewhere around here. If you're looking for something more advanced, like automated and scalable burp scans of hundreds of web applications, check out the description below. We've developed a course teaching people how to configure and use Burp Suite Enterprise. Finally, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more AppSec pen testing tips.